Hi, my name is Sneha Chand and I'm the Business Development Manager at Park Controls and Communications. Welcome to Innovate Bharat. Here what you see is our flagship product, which is called PKMI 1000, which is a data acquisition unit being used in flight test instrumentation, FTI, and also in HUMS, which is health and usage monitoring system. So for every nation, whoever is in the track or path of building their own aircraft or own flight vehicles, this unit becomes very critical. And till date, it was being imported from other countries, other major developed countries. But here we have indigenized it and developed it on our capability basis. So Park Controls and Communications got established into 1989, and here we are in this aerospace and defense manufacturing business for electronics from past 37 years.